What if I told you that the very thing that you're addicted to is destroying your brain? Porn addiction is a hidden epidemic that affects millions of people worldwide. You'll witness the torment and anguish it inflicts on the human brain. The damaging effects on relationships, the numbing of emotions, and the devastating blow to productivity. We will debunk common myths and misconceptions, providing you with alarming facts that will shock you to the core. Pornography addiction is a real and serious issue that can have a devastating impact on a person's life. It can cause physical, psychological, and emotional problems. You will learn how to spot the warning signs of addiction in yourself or loved ones and be shown the path to recovery through proven effective methods. Other impacts include increased anxiety and depression, decreased self-esteem, and difficulty maintaining healthy relationships. It's a secret that many try to keep hidden, ashamed, and afraid of being judged. But behind closed doors, a silent battle is raging. A battle between the individual and their own desires. A struggle to break free from the chains of addiction before it's too late. Some people believe that it's just a harmless way to relieve stress, while others think that it can be a positive way to explore one's sexuality. There is help available, and recovery is possible. There are a number of things that you can do to help stop watching pornography. One approach is to detox your environment and cut out all pornography completely. Remember, you're not alone. Help is available, and recovery is possible. Another approach is to slowly reduce the amount of time you spend watching pornography. Whichever approach you take, it is important to be patient with yourself and to celebrate your successes along the way. However, it's important to be aware of the warning signs so that you can get help if needed. Some of the signs of pornography addiction include spending a lot of time watching pornography, feeling a loss of control over your viewing habits, and experiencing negative consequences in your personal or professional life. As a result of your viewing habits, however, the truth is that pornography can have a number of negative consequences. In this powerful, haunting video, we will take you on a journey through the dark side of porn addiction. These apps can block access to pornography and provide you with support and resources. In addition, establishing a daily routine can help you stay on track and prevent boredom, which can lead to watching pornography. A daily routine should include things such as getting enough sleep, eating healthy foods, and exercising regularly. Porn addiction is a real and serious issue that can have a profound impact on a person's life. It can cause feelings of guilt, anxiety, and depression, as well as social and relationship problems. It's important to seek help if you or someone you know is struggling with porn addiction. When we consume pornography, the brain releases a chemical called dopamine. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter that is responsible for pleasure and reward in the brain. When we engage in sexual activity, the brain releases a surge of dopamine, which creates a feeling of pleasure and satisfaction. However, when we consume pornography, the brain does not get the same dopamine release as it would during sexual activity. This means that over time, the brain becomes desensitized to the pleasure of sex, leading to a reduced ability to experience pleasure in real-life sexual activity. There are effective treatments available, including therapy and support groups. With the right support, people who are struggling with porn addiction can make a full recovery. But first, let's take a closer look at what porn addiction is and how it affects the brain. The human brain is a complex organ that is responsible for everything we think, feel, and do. This is just one of the many ways that pornography addiction can negatively impact the human brain. If you are struggling with a pornography addiction, know that you're not alone. There is help available, and recovery is possible. There are many myths and misconceptions about pornography. It can be difficult to recognize the signs of pornography addiction in yourself or someone you know. If you are struggling with pornography addiction, know that you're not alone. There are also a number of apps and tools that can help you stop watching pornography. By following these tips and being patient with yourself, you can overcome pornography addiction and live a healthier, happier life.